So I wanted to talk about one kind of important factor or interesting factor about really mature thunderstorms and generally very severe mature thunderstorms, and that's the overshooting top. So when you normally have a thunderstorm, if they're reaching the top of the troposphere, they run into the tropopause. And if we remember, the tropopause is incredibly stable. It's really, really difficult to move up into that because all the air is the same temperature. So it's very stable air. So you can't push through that. The density all remains the same. So it's really hard to push up through it. It takes a lot of momentum and a lot of force to do that. So when you've got really fast moving updrafts in a thunderstorm, really strong ones, you can punch up through the tropopause, up into the tropopause further up. And you can see this actually in satellite imagery. You can see it right here. Basically what's happening, if you think about it, is a really strong upward momentum pushing up, and then you can see ripples moving out, kind of like if you dropped something in a pond. And since this takes a lot of energy, storms that have this tend to be more severe.